Welcome back guys, this is part 5 of my Bali series and honestly this is our most favorite part of the entire trip. Today we are heading towards Gili Trawangan. It's a very tiny island just about 3 kilometers long and 2 kilometers wide. You can literally cycle around the whole place in under 2 hours. This is also known as the party island of all the Gilis. वैसे तो ऑनलाइन हमने बोट एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बहुत बुरा सुना है, बट वो तो एक्सपीरियंस करके ही पता चलेगा। पता नहीं हम लोग ऐसे जगह पे क्यों जाते हैं जहाँ पहले से पता है कि कुछ बुरा है। आई होप हमारा एक्सपीरियंस इतना बुरा नहीं हो। We started early morning from Ubud and drove to Padong Bay Harbour. It took us around 1.5 hours by cab. Here is how it works. When you arrive, you check in at the board counter, get your luggage tagged and wait in the boarding area. Pro tip, keep a small backpack with essentials like camera, sunscreen, snacks and water. Your big bags go in the boat storage and this is a 3-hour journey towards Gili Trawangan. As soon as you step off the boat, you are greeted with beautiful turquoise water. यहाँ पर कोई गाड़ी नहीं है, only horse ride and cycles. These horse carts are quite expensive, so expect 700 to 800 rupees for 2 to 2.5 kilometers. And guys, I'm going to keep this video as raw as possible because I want you to experience what we have experienced. Also, you can feel free to watch this in 2x because this is going to be a very long video. इस वीडियो में I'm going to show you everything, the craziest nightlife of Gili Trawangan and boat ride experience back to Bali. Also, it's my birthday here, so there is going to be a big surprise. Stay tuned. Our day started with a breakfast right by the sea. Fresh juice, amazing burgers and everything. Total island mood. And we reached at Pink Coco, Gili Trawangan. This is going to be our stay for next 1 day. And trust me, this is exactly what it sounds like. Everything pink. They welcomed us with a welcome drink and a pink bracelet. Everything was pink. Quick pink room tour. There are no TVs inside any rooms in Giliti, so be prepared for that. Nothing is fancy, everything is very basic and raw, but this is worth experiencing. This is the view from our balcony. I could see the swimming pool, pink bean bags, pink chairs, and it was beautiful. Giliti is famous for its white sandy beaches, turquoise blue water, and the fact that there are no cars or motorbikes here. Only bicycles and horse carts. So the whole island feels calm, peaceful, and straight out of a postcard. In the evening, हमने Sunset Beach visit किया, which is a very famous beach over there, and it had white sand, clear water, soft breeze, पूरा heaven था. यहाँ के stones काफ़ी बड़े हैं और वो चुभते हैं, तो I would suggest you कि आप slippers या Crocs carry करो, ताकि आप उनके साथ ही समंदर के अंदर जा सको. The evening was all about Pink Sunset Kiss, a dreamy restaurant by the sea, fire show, live music, dance performance, perfect birthday vibes. We clicked some amazing photos and videos at Pink Coco restaurant. It was a true heaven. And just when I thought the day was over, we decided to explore the island's nightlife. Gili Tea at night is a different world. Lanterns, beach bars, live music everywhere. I took some of the most insane night shots here. Wait till you see them because they are worth it. And this is the most recommended place, Lolita. I enjoyed every bit of it. I तो love this Lolita experience. यहाँ पे food भी बहुत अच्छा है. Drinks तो superb. Have you seen that crazy party? People were dancing on the roads, they were having full fun. Every street was full of music. It was real fun. Okay, so it's time to go for a breakfast and हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं इनके रेस्टोरेंट में to have a breakfast. अभी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है तो मेरा आवाज़ भी आप सुन रहे होंगे. But yeah. This was a seaside restaurant and there were plenty of options for the breakfast, and they had also kept detox water for everyone. They served this detox water right before our breakfast. अगर आप बाली आ रहे हो तो यू शुड कैरी यूनिवर्सल अडेप्टर बिकॉज इंडियन सॉकेट्स आपको नहीं मिलेंगे तो चार्जिंग में इश्यूज हो सकते हैं. आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट आई हैड सम टाइम सो आई क्लिक सम ब्यूटिफुल शॉट्स. यू कैन सी इट. Pink Coco also has a spa and a small pantry with free water refills and beach essentials. Here are some free snacks. You can see that here are cookies, free cookies, then this detox water, herbs and fruits. इसका ज़्यादा टेस्ट तो नहीं होता है, but yeah, it's free. But beer and all, that will cost around 45 to 55K. And this is a beautiful place. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. After our checkout, it was time to say goodbye to Pink Coco. So before that, we were waiting for the horse cart and we decided to spend some time at Pink Coco restaurant. The cold breeze, the water in front of us, and hardly 2-3 people sitting over there. Oh my god, this was real peace. It was peaceful, calming and ऐसा लग रहा था यही बैठे रहे। हम लोग जा रहे हैं हार्बर। हमने यहाँ से चेकआउट कर लिया है एंड अभी हमको लेने आ रहा है हॉर्स कार्ट, जिसे हम बोलते हैं टांगा। तो यहाँ इट्स फन आइलैंड। यहाँ पर बिल्कुल भी व्हीकल्स नहीं है, एक दो इलेक्ट्रिकल है, बट असली मज़ा साइकिलिंग में है। तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू कि आप साइकिलिंग ही ट्राई करें। और यहाँ पर टांगा इज़ वेरी कॉस्टली, लाइक 150K में आपको मिलेगा एंड इट्स हार्डली 5 minutes डिस्टेंस, which will cost you in INR 750 rupees. So yeah, यहाँ पर कॉस्ट महंगा है, बट बाइसिकल्स एंड ऑल you can get it for 600 per person. Or if you have booked a stay and you are getting bicycles from that stay, then it would be free. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye. यहाँ पर रात में बड़ा मज़ा आता है, कुछ कुछ शॉप्स खुले रहते हैं, बट द ओनली थिंग इज़ स्ट्रीट लाइट्स नहीं होते, तो इधर यू हैव टू कैरी अ टॉर्च और मोबाइल के फ्लैश लाइट से काम चल जाता है। हमने तो वही किया था। Going back. So that was a magical Gili Tea birthday trip. Tiny island, huge memories. From the pink paradise hotel to the nightlife that lights up the sand. This day I will never ever forget. Absolutely correct. हमारी बोट आने में टाइम था, तो हम लोग एक कॉफ़ी शॉप में रुके थे एंड हैड सम कॉफ़ी एंड वाटर। You can look for flowers, don't sit for hours. Telling all the bluebirds, we're feeling cooler. Okay, that's our boat, Eka Jaya. Now we are boarding the boat. And that was our boat Eka Jaya. इतना सुंदर लग रहा था सब, ऐसा लग रहा था ये कैसे कैप्चर करे इस कैमरा में। This journey back, guys, unforgettable. We sat on the upper deck, sea breeze in our hair, waves splashing, sun setting on the horizon. I'll be honest, this 2.5 hours felt like a therapy. But also keep your phone in a waterproof pouch unless you want salty memories on your screen forever. So we are heading towards Padong Bay, right where we started. तो अभी हम लोग पैडोंग बे से हमारे होटल जा रहे हैं। आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट यहाँ पर जैसे ही आप बोट से उतरते हो उस टाइम पे सारे टैक्सी वाले आते हैं कि आप हमारे से टैक्सी लो वगैरह वगैरह, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू नॉट टू टेक बिकॉज वो बस डील करते हैं, बाहर आके लेते हो टैक्सी तो आपको सस्ता पड़ेगा, तो अराउंड 1000 रुपीज़ का कॉस्ट डिफरेंस पड़ेगा। हमने गलती की कि हमने वहीं पर लिया, बट इट्स ओके, लेट्स सी। तो अभी हम लोग पहुँच गए हैं लुमिनार, विच इज़ अ होटल इन सेमिनियाक, एंड यहाँ पर हम लोग 3 दिन के लिए रहने वाले इंक्लूडिंग टुडे, सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज। दिस इज आवर होटल इन सेमिनियाक, बड़ा सा मिरर है जिसके अंदर वॉशरूम है। जा हाँ जा हाँ Cute little Japanese style restaurant, Trichy. इनकी अनाउंसमेंट कैसी लग रही है देखो, एकदम स्क्विड गेम्स जैसा फीलिंग आ रहा है। So do listen to me. No more of the something. It सुनो। तो राइस खाने की नई टेक्निक, दिस इज राइस, चिकन, everything idea 100.
Ice cream and tea.
Joy boy. Drive through something AW. I don't know what is this. Vibe is good. Coming up next, get ready for a fun-filled day, a beach club party at the famous Fins Club, chocolate making, and some sweet candy shopping. It's going to be a completely different vibe from the island life. Don't miss it. Okay, bye.